Hello and welcome to my channel all about accountancy, where we convert your accounting problems into solutions. I am your host Professor Tanmaypvttutor, and today we are going to start with a new series called 60-Second Accountancy. Before moving any further into the video, please excuse my nasal voice because I have cough and cold. As explained in my previous video, I am going to give you some tips in this series which might help you to solve your problems easily. As these tips are going to be roughly around a minute long, hence this series is called 60-Second Accountancy. I will be releasing new episodes of this series only on Sundays, because as for Sundays, as for 60, you know how things roll. So now let us move on to the tip of the day. Today's tip is exam oriented. What to do if you do not have sufficient time to complete a sum on journal entries? The solution is simple. Just pass the journal entries and skip the narrations and totaling completely. What you could do is pass the journal entries, keep space for narrations and totaling. So after passing a journal entries, if you have time, then you can do the totaling first and then pass narrations for each journal entry. Narrations and totaling do not have individual marks, whereas journal entries have individual marks. So if you skip the narrations and totaling, it will cost you only around 2 marks, but if you skip some journal entries, it would cost you much more marks. So if you already have an idea that you are not going to complete the sum within the given time, then you are supposed to pass the journal entries first. Then if time permits, you can do the totaling, and then if you have extra time, you can post the narrations. Hope you have understood this tip. If you have, then please like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well. I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can put them in the comment box down below. See you in my next video. Till then, this is Professor Tanmaypvttutor signing off. Good luck and take care.